Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's video, we're going to review the Incogniton antidetect browser. We'll take a close look at its features and see how it can help you maintain your privacy online. Let's get started. Incogniton is a leading antidetect browser, widely recognized for its effectiveness in managing multiple accounts. It comes equipped with powerful automation features designed to maximize efficiency. This multifunctional tool is particularly useful in various domains, including arbitration, business management, e-commerce, and cryptocurrency operations. Here are the main advantages of the browser. Incogniton offers emulation of text input for fast and automatic filling of forms on websites. It includes a generator for creating unique browser fingerprints. The browser supports the automation of routine operations using Selenium. It allows access to browser profiles from all user devices. Let's explore the subscription options available for the Incogniton browser, each designed to cater to different needs and scales of operation. The starter tariff is free and provides the basic antidetect functionality, ideal for newcomers looking to explore the features of Incogniton. It supports one user and allows the creation of up to 10 profiles. Priced at $29.99, the Entrepreneur tariff offers enhanced functionalities, including API automation, a synchronizer, access to premium support, a cookie collector, and the ability to transfer profiles. It supports one user and allows for up to 50 browser profiles. The Professional plan costs $79.99 and builds on the previous tiers by supporting up to 3 users and enabling the creation of up to 150 browser profiles. This plan is suited for small teams or advanced users needing more capacity. At $149.99, the multinational tariff, also referred to as Team, is tailored for larger teams. It supports up to 10 users and allows for the creation of up to 500 profiles, accommodating the needs of extensive business operations and collaborations. It's also important to note that Incogniton offers a significant discount for long-term commitments. When purchasing tariffs for a period of 6 months, the browser provides a 30% reduction in price compared to the standard monthly cost of its services. Let's take a closer look at launching Incogniton and navigating through its interface to set up a new browser profile. When you launch the browser, you are landed at the page displaying already created browser profiles. Here, you can either create a new profile one by one, or opt for a mass import using CSV text format, or by uploading a ready-made CSV or Excel file. Let's create a new profile. Start by naming your new profile, and if it helps with organization, link it to a group. Choose an operating system from Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and then pick a version of the browser core to suit your needs. You can generate a random fingerprint by clicking on the corresponding button. Right next to this, you are able to configure the proxy settings for this profile. Below, you will find quick settings that allow you to enable webcam use and set the device language. In the proxy section, you can add a proxy server that will be assigned to your new profile. Detailed instructions are available by clicking on the annotation shown on the screen. You can configure the display of the time zone in the Timezone section to either correspond with the IP address or set it manually to whatever suits your needs. In the WebRTC section, you are able to choose how the technology functions. You can use a fake parameter, a real one based on the IP address, or disable it completely. For geolocation, you can either allow it to display based on the IP address or set the longitude, latitude, and accuracy manually, which will then be reflected in the browser fingerprint. Move to the Navigator section, where you can enter a custom user agent, adjust the screen resolution, select a platform, configure the Do Not Track setting, and set parameters for processor cores and RAM. Conclude this section by setting the language for the digital fingerprint. In the Extensions section, you can add new browser extensions to your profile or choose from those that were previously added. You are able to customize fonts in the Fonts section, activate font substitution, customize their list, and enable the Unicode symbol. In the Media Devices section, you have the option to enable or disable audio masking and assign the number of audio devices. You can configure the Canvas option, mask the audio context, and set up WebGL in the Hardware section. The DNS section allows you to manually enter the IP address of the DNS server that will be used by the profile. The Other section contains additional settings related to the operation of the browser profile, which you can fill in based on your personal preferences. You are able to import cookie files in Netscape and JSON formats into the new browser profile using the Import Cookies section. Once created, the profile will appear in the list where you can edit it at any time and adjust or add settings as needed. Let's take a closer look at other tabs presented in the browser. In Team Management, you can add employees to your team, set up custom roles, and establish necessary access and permissions. The My Accounts section allows you to enable or disable all profiles at once, manage profile transfers, and configure cloud storage. You can adjust browser settings, create digital fingerprint templates, and set the port for Selenium integration in the Automation section. The application's configuration and local backup settings are also accessible here. Browser Management handles the addition of necessary browser extensions and bookmarks for your workflow. In Proxy Manager, you can add a single proxy or import a proxy list in a browser-compatible format. Help and Support provides resources for technical questions, documentation, or direct contact through a support form. At the top of the interface, there are additional features, including a recycle bin for deleted profiles, recoverable within 7 days. Links to Telegram support, theme switching for day and night modes, data synchronization for team collaboration, and a logout button for the browser account. Today's review highlights that the Incogniton antidetect browser is an excellent tool for managing multiple online accounts, providing a valuable resource for marketers, SMM specialists, web scrapers, and testers. It allows the creation and management of numerous profiles, while ensuring a high degree of network anonymity. Suitable for both individual users and teams, the browser features a variety of plans to suit any requirement. Additionally, users can explore its basic functionality through a free subscription tier. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.